Of seniors and our viewers out there, you're expressing frustration about scheduling at vaccination sites across Clark County. So we're asking questions like, when is the COVID-19 going to be available at your local pharmacy? Fox 5's newest reporter and anchor, Kim Passoff, joining us now from the newsroom. Kim, both CVS and Walgreens have plans to roll out the vaccine locally.
Yeah, that's right, Jacqueline. They are just waiting for direction from the state and, of course, their supply. CVS says it is in active discussions with the state of Nevada on the timing of that rollout. They tell Fox 5, quote, per an agreement with the Department of Health and Human Services, COVID-19 vaccines will eventually be available at all CVS pharmacy locations throughout the country, subject to product availability and prioritization of populations, which will be determined by the states. The minute that program is turned on, we will be ready to go. Similarly, Walgreens says COVID-19 vaccines will be available in all Walgreens, more than 9,000 store locations, once they become available for mass administration. We are following guidance from the CDC and federal and state governments and are looking to the spring for mass availability. During a news conference today, state health officials were questioned on an exact date when we can expect to see vaccines in local pharmacies. They said they are still evaluating that, but yesterday, Clark County Commissioner Marilyn Kirkpatrick, a board member with the Southern Nevada Health District, gave a specific timeline.
We also know within the next 2 weeks that the pharmacies around town will be able to, you'll be able to sign up at one of the pharmacies around town. So we don't have that list yet, but I can tell you that we are light years ahead of many.
And also on today's COVID task force conference call, explosive comments from a state health official, what he calls disruptions and disinformation from the federal government and how it's making it more difficult for the state to distribute the vaccine here in Nevada. In the newsroom, Kim Passoff, Fox 5, local, Las Vegas.
Thank you, Kim. We'll take a look at Nevada's vaccine distribution. Here's how it compares to other states. Nevada is in light blue, so that means we're vaccinating people at a slower rate than many other states across the country. Darker blue states have vaccinated more than 3,000 people per every 100,000. Nevada is still at 2,000 for every 100,000. And state officials say a big reason for that is funding. To track the latest progress on vaccinations in Nevada and across this country, head to fox5vegas.com. Click on our coronavirus section.